Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete poll on Instagram post. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram has been a game changer for business by providing them with a social media platform to grow their community and deepen connection with customers. With 90% of Instagram users following at least one business account, the potential for growth is immense. However, to stand out in the crowd, businesses need to create engaging type of content that resonates with their audience. That's where Instagram polls come in. So, on Instagram, you can post photo or video, and you can add polls on that post. But what if you want to remove or delete the polls? Maybe you for some reason you want to delete the poll. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. You can tap on the post that you want to delete the poll. You can see there's poll on this post, and I want to remove it. You can tap on view here. You can tap on remove vote. So all the vote here will be removed for the result But if you want to delete all these polls so no one can see these polls again on the post, you can tap on the upper right corner of the post here, on the three dots here. You can tap on edit. Now you can see you cannot edit the post after posting, but you can delete it you can tap on delete here. You can tap on delete. This will also delete three poll options. You can tap on delete. And now you can tap on the upper corner here. And you can refresh the page and you can see there's no more polls on this post. So simple, right? So whenever if there's anybody see this post, they won't see the poll again. So that is how to delete polls on Instagram post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.